In this video, I'll show you how to manage and secure your data using the XpertERP Backup Manager. To get started, head to the left-hand menu, scroll down to Tools, and select Backup Manager. If the option isn't visible, you likely need to update your permissions. To do this, go to User Roles and Permissions, select the appropriate role, and click Edit. Under the Tools section, simply enable the Backup Manager toggle and click OK. Now, let's look at the Backup Manager itself. This dashboard allows you to create, restore, delete, and download backups. Since these files are stored directly on the server, they are available whenever you need them. To start a manual backup, click Create New Backup. You can choose between a full backup, database only, or files only. Once you've made your selection, click Create. The system will notify you that the backup is scheduled. Because this runs as a background process, you don't need to stay on the page. The system will email you the moment the process is complete. While a backup is in progress, the status will show as pending. Once finished, you'll see the file name, size, and a unique checksum for security. For audit purposes, you can click Logs to see exactly what happened during the process. This log shows every file included and confirms the data was secured using AES 256 encryption, the industry standard for data protection. Managing your files is simple. Use the Download button to save a copy to your local computer. Use the Delete button to clear out old schedules. And if you need to revert to a previous state, use the Restore option. Just like creating a backup, the restoration is scheduled and runs in the background to ensure data integrity. Finally, let's look at how to automate your protection. Under the Settings tab, you can enable automatic backups. Here you can set a daily backup time and choose your preferred backup type. You can also define your retention policy. The system allows you to keep up to 7 recent backups, but it requires a minimum of 2 at all times. This safety feature ensures you always have a fallback point in case of a system failure. Lastly, you can select multiple team members to receive email notifications, keeping everyone informed of the system's status. With both manual and automated options, the Backup Manager keeps your business-critical data safe and accessible. Thanks for watching and good luck!